Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Got an awesome segment planned for today. We got Jason, if you remember from last year, dropped off this beautiful brand new 2024 Catalyst. And what I'm gonna do today is we've actually come out with some new knee pads specifically for the Catalyst this year. So I'm gonna take you through a full install and what you gotta do and what they look like, show you how the final product looks on this sled. Look at how clean this thing is, man. Spotless.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure it was clean.
Oh man, it looks perfect. Sledaddicz is brought to you by Team Vincent Motorsports, Bergstrom Carbides, Ledger Performance, Ultimax Belts, Stud Boy Studs, and Radio World. So first things first, we've actually got 3 different sets of knee pads that I'm going to show you. We've got some new packaging this year. Really happy with how these turned out. So when you get your kit in the mail, you will get, one of 3 different patterns that you choose. So it's brushed, diamond, or honeycomb. I'm going to show you guys what those look like. Jason's actually going with the brushed look on his Catalyst. So those are the ones that we're going to install. But let me show you what these look like. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys just the 3 different patterns that we've got. So hopefully you can see them. That's the honeycomb pattern there. And then these ones here are the diamond pattern. Oh, so they look like that. And then the last set, which are the ones that we're gonna be putting on Jason's sled today, these are the brushed pattern. Really cool look, really super clean. It's 5mm dense EVA foam material for these. And then also inside your kit, you're obviously gonna get a thank you card from me and Jess. We got some cool Sledaddicz stickers that you can put on your sled. And then very important, you wanna be following the instructions to the T. So yes, you can watch this video. There's also another install video, but make sure you follow the instructions to a T. It will really help just make sure that you get the pads stuck down properly and that you don't have any issues going forward. Okay, I'm gonna swing this sucker around this way so we can show the actual panels. Look at how clean this thing is, man. Spotless. Oh man, it looks perfect. All right guys, we're gonna get going with the install for our knee pad kit on Jason's beautiful Arctic Cat Catalyst. So we've got the brushed pads that we're gonna be putting on. And what you'll need, first things first, is just some isopropyl rubbing alcohol. He's done an awesome job. I mean, this sled is spotless, but I'm gonna just put some of this down and rub the panels with it just to remove any excess dirt, grease, or whatever's on there. So we'll start with the left side first. And I really recommend, again, using isopropyl versus any other like degreaser or anything like that. I mean, alcohol is pretty much the best cleaner, so hopefully you can see that. It did take off some stuff that was on there. Plus it dries right away. Perfect. So next step, you're gonna want your heat gun. So I've got my, my heat gun here, and we're going to make sure we've got the right one lined up for this panel. And this is actually the first time I've seen them or done them on a Catalyst, but they are a perfect fit, I can tell right away. So what you're going to do is you're going to take off the adhesive backing that comes on the pad. And don't touch the backing. So just keep it as much in the side of your fingers or your hand as possible. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna heat up the back of that pad. Now you will feel it, it'll become a little bit more malleable, and it will also start to turn like a bit of a hazy color, like a hazy white. And that just means the glue is getting activated, and that's all you want. Then you can apply a little bit of heat to the panel itself. Make sure to put your heat gun out of the way and don't burn your seat. And then you're just gonna line it up to basically have 1/8 of an inch away from the outer edge of the panel when you get these stuck down. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Nice, that looks awesome. All right, so there's a quick shot of what it's gonna look like once it's stuck down. You can see I've got about 1/8 of an inch from the outer edges. Form fits around this vent and looks absolutely beautiful. So we'll get the other one put on and then we'll show you guys what the final set of pads looks like on this Catalyst. All right guys, so we're on to the right side panel now on the Catalyst, and again, I'm just gonna bring back some of the rubbing alcohol. Give that a good clean. And then we're going to remove that adhesive backing from the other side. And we're going to apply heat with our heat gun. Starting to turn hazy and I can feel it soften up. And then I'm just gonna put some heat to the panel. And all that's gonna do is just ensure a really good, secure seal with the pad itself. So you're gonna line it up and look for that 1/8 inch space around the outer edge. That looks pretty damn good to me. And then you're just gonna press that down. That's it, super easy. So again, we've got the black brushed look installed on Jason's Catalyst. We're really excited this year. We've been, new for us will be the Catalyst, but we're also launching pads for the Sidewinders this year. We've got Expeditions. So you can go to our website, www.sledaddicz.com. You can, try to find your make and model sled there, and we should have a set of pads that fit your ride. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Hopefully that's helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.